Thanos, you like your present? It's for playing golf.
Thanos, is that golf?
You can hit that golf? Yeah. Say thank you, Amanda. And thank you, Ashley. Can you say that?
That's Amanda.
And Ashley.
Ashley.
Good job. And Auntie Charlene. And Uncle Alan. Yeah? Thank you. That's really nice. You want me to open it?
Yeah.
Please, Mommy?
Please, Mommy.
Whoa! Way up in the air. I think this is gonna be an outside toy, not inside. Uh-huh. It's okay. Whoa, go! Yay! Mm-hmm. You hit a goal with the golf? Whoa! Thanos, are you playing with the potter or the iron? The potter, yeah. Where's the iron? Almost.
Iron can do it. Not the fire. Iron can do it.
Okay.
Not the fire. Not the fire.
Yay!